Hi, I'm Daryl with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke. This is a 332BHKLE. It's one of our best sellers. We have these arriving every week. To start with, this comes with a power jack on the front, David. See that there?
Sure do.
Large compartment.
Yep, right through.
More storage under the bed inside. Solar hookup. We got our new steps on it.
Yep.
Lease latch for your dog. Outside plugs. Water heaters in there.
Electric and gas, Daryl.
Yes. Black tank flush.
Black tank flush, that's a good thing to have.
Now back here you have your small outdoor kitchen. So it comes with a refrigerator, grill, and an outdoor shower beside it.
Perfect, you can clean up your griddle when you're done, and there's an exterior door to the bathroom as well.
Yes, which is a great feature. Power awning on it, David, and your outside speakers, and of course your spotlight.
Perfect. Shall I go inside?
You shall.
Alright, come on in. Let's start off in the bedroom. We've got a king bed. We've got plugs and USBs on either side. Nice storage. Good wall space here as well. You can see where the king Wi-Fi comes in from outside, available. And back this way, lots of room around the bed as well. Inside, we got room for a pretty good sized TV, probably a 40 be okay. And down below, a couple of cabinets. We have a sound bar. And how's about that kitchen cupboard space? Lots of counter, lots of cupboard. And I do believe we do a one-piece stainless in here. Yes, we do. Nice steel fixtures. Couch flips into a little bed. Of course, it has an armrest or not. And a U-shaped dinette. A lot of these dinettes are pretty small, Daryl. This is a good size one
there. Storage underneath each one as well, David.
Yep. Yep, perfect. You've got your accent lights above your slide. Here we have a 12-volt fridge. I'll show you the size of this. Right here. What a great size. That must be 10 and a half square feet, 11,
Absolutely,
something like that.
Yeah. Great
Cubic
size.
feet, I should say.
Extra large bathroom in this too, Dave, when you get that far.
Great pantry. Bathroom, oh yeah, perfect. Lots of room in here to change. Shower's a great size. It's got the tub surround. And there's your door out. Solid doors everywhere. Door into the bedroom, door into the bathroom, and a solid door also into the bunk room. Extra wide bunks right here and down below. So left hand side, really wide bunks. Nice soft seat here with storage underneath. Over on this side we have another couch that mirrors the couch in the living room, actually. Same size. Nice headroom here to here. And of course 250 pounds right there. Great space, nice wall space here. Where your television would go for the kids. Switches. Just a great all-in-all unit. Let's check out the storage under here. And a nice big pull-out tote on either side. It's all about storage space and counter space in this 332, Daryl.
Absolutely. And you just can't beat the deal on them. Come and see us in Pine Acres.
Yeah, we've got a steady supply of these units coming in all summer long. Our pricing is fixed. Contact Daryl or myself at Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke.
Exit 11, come see us.
Pine Acres.